So Prior's Court is a residential school for young people who have autism, complex autism, and other associated learning difficulties and learning needs. And our young people live with us from the ages of 5 all the way through to 25. And we have on site residential homes and a school. And so we're a big sort of campus school, and we support our young people 52 weeks of the year.
Yeah, because most of our young people don't speak verbally, and so they can voice their disapprovals in other ways, which sometimes can be quite messy. And the other thing that they can do is they don't always understand risk, so they put a lot of things in their mouths and can touch and handle things without being aware of how dangerous that is. So it's really, really important that we have a clean environment, and it is very difficult to maintain a clean and safe environment, which is why the donation and help that we're getting from Kärcher now is just incredible.
Hi, it's so good to be here today at Prior's Court. They do some amazing work, and we were delighted to be asked to get involved and to see what we could do to help. So we're doing a deep clean on one of the boarding houses, Autism House, and we're also cleaning the grounds outside with Kärcher machines. So anything we can do to help is part of our purpose culture at Kärcher. And Prior's Court is an example, as is the work we do with Dogs for Good, the RNLI, and the beach cleans we do with Nurdle. But today it's all about Prior's Court. We're delighted to be here, and we're delighted to do anything we can to help.